Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everyone's doing well, surviving this winter and all the craziness that kind of comes along with winter and ice and driving. So I am Liberty James. I wanted to pop on here. My chair's super squeaky. Sounds kind of awkward. I wanted to come on here and just kind of explain myself and all of the things I've got going on. So I'm a local author to Washington State, kind of Spokane area. I write thriller romance, thriller, and a small town romance. So I've got 4 books published, and I'm working on the 5th, and obviously more and more to come. I'll explain more about my books towards the end of this video. And I also have my website, libertyjames.com, so be sure to check that out. Lots of fun things there. And on my website, I have something called LJ's Shop. Liberty James, LJ, that's where it comes from. Anyways, so I'm excited to do this for a couple of reasons. One, opening up my own little online store helps me support other small businesses where I can just have a little bit more things to offer you guys when you order than just books. So everything on my website is a flat rate shipping of $10. So you can order everything I have to offer and it'll still just be $10, you know? So it's just this flat rate and it kind of evens itself out. So I'm slowly adding more and more and more things to LJ's shop, but it all goes in full circle, right? Any money that goes into the website then funds my book. So it's just like this full business circle, right? And that's why I'm doing it, to support other artists, support other small businesses, and to kind of support my independent author career. But that way it's all just coming into, you know, one thing. It's just one thing. So with that said, let me explain what I've got in my shop. I don't know why I drop into these like really weird voices sometimes, but so all right, so first thing I'll talk about is I do have Chubby Chap, but I know you'll see the price tag on there. I have them for $8, and you might be thinking, whoa, that is expensive for chapstick, ma'am. When I bought them at a gift store in Montana, they were like $10 each. And the profit margin on this isn't even that high. Like, it's like 50 cents, I think. So from what I bought them for to what I resell them for, it's not even that high. So it's not that I'm trying to have you jump out the whiskers or something. It's not even, is that a phrase? Jump out the whiskers. We're going to keep it. So this is a normal chapstick. This is like from a dentist office. This is like what a Chubby Chap is. So you can kind of see, chapstick down, and it's way over there, so I can't grab it. But you kind of could see, right, how big the difference was. Okay, so I have, this is the honey one. I've got bubble gum. I have cotton candy, I think. I've got huckleberry cherry kiss. So like 5 different flavors, but these last a really long time, and they're organic from a farm up in Idaho. So I like that they are kind of like, Idaho's the state in between the 2 states. I grew up in Montana and I live in Washington now, and Idaho is kind of the state in between. So I love supporting that small business in Idaho. They're a great team to support, and the chapstick just lasts forever. My mom passed away in 2023, and she actually gifted me a couple of these a couple months before her passing. So she passed in July, and she gifted me these in her last trip to Spokane. I want to say that was like end of May, early June, and she passed away in 2023. So I still actually have some of these that she gifted me from way then, you know? So I love Chubby Chap. That's why I have it on there. It's just a great little add-on. And they last forever, and they're support a local business. They're organic. They're good times. All right. So I also have bookmarks. This is a reading list bookmark. Back and front. You can do the star ratings. You can put your name, your title of the book, the date, and stuff like that. So these bookmarks I'll generally give you free with book orders. This bookmark I'll give you free no matter what. This is my bookmark. Kind of explains my books and my QR code, so you can find me everywhere. This is a bookmark that goes with my second book. So that's kind of a fun. This is one of the main characters. This is the book cover. That's why I have it. So, kind of fun. Good vibes there. So, all 3 bookmarks usually come free with any book order. But you can buy them 50 cents too, so all that fun stuff. This is the one that always comes free no matter what. But bookmarks are always fun, and this one is a significant size bigger. Like, look at that. So this one is with a book purchase. Otherwise, they're just simple 50 cents, not even that much at all. You know, so like I said, everything is that flat rate shipping of $10. So it's like, no matter what you add to it. So when I send off books or pretty much anything, I'll usually send them in these little bags. So these are complimentary little burlap bags I kind of send out with you guys. I also do stickers, and I always got it depends on what you get, you know? Like if you're gonna get book, I'm probably gonna, you know, stuff you full of stickers. Like I got these vintage style ones, and I got these like neon light style ones. My bin. Which I love the vintage style ones. I think that they are really cool. And then I also got like bookish ones. You know, so I definitely got a variety of stickers. So these are always complimentary. This is just what I would have on the website. You know, just as a compliment. Fun stickers for your Kindle or your notebooks or however you guys decide to decorate. You have sugar skulls. Where are my sugar skulls? Okay, and so I always have a sugar skull popped in there too, because I am a skull fanatic. And and all of these are just different. So these are just complimentary with my books. Yep. So stickers are always a thing. Alrighty, so I just got these amazing new from the Divine Iguana. She makes them handmade in Detroit, Michigan. Okay, so she's an artist in Detroit, Michigan. If you were in Michigan, woohoo! So I got these inventoried on there. I posted about these yesterday, and I mostly sold out of them already, so that was kind of fast. So that's another big thing, is I don't intend on having a lot of the same things more than once. I kind of just want to keep it fresh. So checking out LabrieJames.com every once in a while and seeing what's fresh is definitely a good idea, because I'm always going to change my mind and not always keep the same things. So that's the anatomical heart dangle earring, and these are kind of a steampunk clock earring, which this is the last one I have left of these because that sold out really fast yesterday. I posted that, and like, I want to say like 5 minutes later, like those were mostly sold out. It was kind of insane and unexpected. Okay, so we saw those ones already. The heart dangle earrings. Okay, and then I have these love earrings. They're studs, like a love script. So these are really great for Valentine's Day too. This is the last pair I have of these two because they sold really fast. And then I have that atomical heart stud earring. So not the dangle, there's a stud. And then I really like this pendant necklace that goes with either the dangle or the stud. And it kind of, you know, they're like the size of a dime. It's like a marbled feeling. Anatomical heart, so kind of goth Victorian. Those are really cool. Yeah, LabrieJames.com. Handcrafted in Detroit by the Divine Iguana. Super talented lady. Super glad to have, you know, be part of her creating process and be able to help her as well. So definitely fun. Those sold out really fast. I had gotten a couple boxes of them thinking they would last a while, but this is like my final box of them. That went really fast. Okay, so, and I have a little wallet coin purse that is a sugar skull, so pretty small. I've got the taco truck wallet that snaps open. And then obviously zips right here as well. Okay, so taco truck wallet. These were not made in America, but they are from a store in Montana that is a small town store, or like a little personal business that sells online, like a, yeah. So, and then the Belle, or the Beauty crossbody. So, I think it's Kamoko is how you say it, but that's the business, the small business that I helped support here. This is a little purse and it has a strap inside of there. Okay, so a little crossbody purse. And then we have the crossbody purse for the typewriter bag as well with the strap. Okay, so this is really cute. Vintage red, way smaller than people were expecting. So I'm sold out of a lot of things. I do have about 2 left of all of those. So that's kind of a thing. All right, so I do have my books on my website as well, obviously. We've got Hunted. This is my last copy that I have of Hunted on my website. I've got more inventory coming. This was a damaged in printing one, so it's only $5 on my website. But this is the first of the series. This is also an audiobook by Hoover Lynn. So this book, a girl and her friend leave a party on New Year's, and her friend gets sick on the side of the road. And on the side of the road, a madman, essentially attacks them. Lennox survives the attack, the other one doesn't. And so from then on, it's kind of this thriller where you're trying to figure out who was after her and why. And then the cop assigned to the case to kind of solve it, Finn has, develops feelings for Lennox. So it kind of has that romance vibe in there too. And then Captured, also on audiobook by Hoover Lynn. And now you can kind of see the bookmark I was showing you earlier. Is on there. Again, I have some damaged copies of these left, and I'm getting inventory for like the non-damaged ones. They're damaged because in shipping, Amazon shipped them to me kind of strange. So this is in the damaged shipping section. It is there. These covers will have a makeover, hopefully by 2026. And first and second one there. And so I do have a tote bag made to order. This is one that I have in stock right now, the only one left. Kind of a thicker canvas material. And it says, "We were two threadbare souls pieced together by someone else's sins," which is a quote and Captured from the Hunted series. So a tote bag, definitely big, and that is on there. So custom swag for my books. I also have Tell Me No Lies, which is a novella that came out this October. It is part of the Hunted series, but it is a standalone. So in the beginning, I say that if you read this one, it will give away spoilers to the other books. But if you never read the other books, you will understand this, and it will make sense, and it stands alone. Because sometimes people don't want to read the other ones because of the trigger warnings in there. So you can read this and feel good about it. It's just a simple little novella. So basically, Chief Johnson opens on a crime scene where Chief Johnson is trying to figure out who killed James LaBelle, which is totally a play on my name, by the way. And they find a journal in the freezer, and the journal kind of leads to this toxic love triangle. So he's trying to figure out what's going on there with the help of his nanny, whom he has romantic feelings for. So just a quick little novella, a little bit of spice thrown in there. And then I have, this one came out last July, Small Town Romance, about self-discovery and, Finding Your Strength, Found Family, Friends, Complex Characters, 4 Points of View, Music Industry, The Inevitability of Us. So that one is on there. And I have 2 merch items. These are made to order. So by the wonderful EOS Designs. You can find her on Facebook and on Instagram. But You Set the Rhythm is a quote from the book. It's a little tote bag. This one is a lot thinner than the Hunted series tote bag. It's a lot thinner and a little bit smaller. Okay, so this is a lot more lightweight, simple for groceries or just, I don't know, running an errand or something. But I also have the You Set the Rhythm sweatshirt, also made by EOS Designs. That is You Set the Rhythm on the back. I have had a few people request that the You Set the Rhythm is on the front. And if you would prefer it on the front, they are made to order. So you just would order it and then you would send me an email and say, hey, I just ordered this and I would really like it on the front instead of the back. And that's fine because I just have to let her know who makes them. Okay, and the sleeve has The Inevitability of Us. And then the other sleeve has my name. Boop. Liberty Gems. All right, guys, that's kind of my story, my store. I'm always here for questions. Anyways, I hope you'll support me and my new adventures. It all keeps in full circle with supporting me fund my books and my dream and my career. And it also supports other businesses because I'm able to strictly buy from them, you know, and that is exciting to me. So thank you for your time, and I hope all of this helped. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye.